Hey everybody, welcome back. I am in Dollar Tree and I stopped over here because they always put out their really cute like handmade cards and I like to look at them. So this one is cute. That one caught my attention. You have that one. I'm not going to go through all of them. I like the plaid or checkered on that one. Look at this one. Have a magical Christmas with the cute little beanies. And I think that was the only ones that I thought was super cute. This one with the sweater. And yeah, so that's it for right here. Oh, they put out some of the Santa LED tea light candles. Let's see, and then you have a snowman and a tree. There's some little hopping toys, Christmas edition. Oh, look at the penguin. She has on glasses. That is adorable. They have Santa Claus. And I see a snowman. Oh, they're bringing back these. The Macaron Trinket dishes. I like that purple. I did show you guys these in my last walkthrough right here. And then down here, I see some elephants in gold and silver. And let's see. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. Little candle holders. I see that one. This one. And then I think I see one. Oh, yeah, that one. It has a reindeer on it. Those are pretty. Oh, look at these. Glitter stickers. Those are pretty. I don't remember seeing these. And then I see this one. And they always bring out different food stickers. And it throws me off because I'm like, did I see this one? But I don't think I've seen this one. Those are cute. Here's some of their socks. You have the snowman, presents, holidays, the elf ones. Look at these. With the cat and the dog. Oh, this one is cute. With the llama. A penguin. Santa. That one and that one. Oh, look at these cute little journals. It's just lined paper, but I like the front of that. That's the only one I see right now. Oh, this one says big plans. That's pretty too. Over here by the candles, the only one that I see right now, which is really cute, it has like a scalloped top right here, and it's called Cozy Flannel, and it's an Old Williamsburg. And I'm trying to see to make sure. Yeah, this was the only one that I see for now. They'll probably put out some other fragrances. Here is some new magnets. Ride your dream with a unicorn and a sloth. Sleep on his back. Squeeze the day. The cat ice cream. The dinosaur with a microphone talking about killing it. Here's a puppy cupcake, I guess. A pup cake. And this one that says don't rush me. This location added their Frozen 2 stuff, which is the hats. There was some playing cards, the crystal rings, and the puzzles. Couldn't if I fried. That's an egg. You have that one. Mix. Don't go baking my heart. Little food references. Happiness is homemade. Let's see what this one says. Good morning. That's cute. I like the colors on that one. I cook, therefore you clean. Okay, I know that one. Oh, they put their cups up over here on this end cap. So you have believe, joy, peace, hope. I love Santa, making spirits bright. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. And naughty. I like the naughty. Let's see, this one, have yourself a merry little Christmas. These are cute. You have those. I did purchase one of these with the red trucks. I think it was the other day. That one. Oh, and these are cute. Look at that. These are nice and big too. And the top slides open. Okay, make it merry or up to snow good. I think I'll get one of these. And then down here I do see one more. is the most wonderful time of the year. So I see everybody starting to get the Remy Rose that I showed you guys. The real cute. I love that packaging. I love the purple. Here's more of the Crayola Lip Balms, lip gloss, and polishes. And I'm over here by the makeup. See if I see anything. So far, nothing today. They still have these double take eyeshadows. The facial cleansing brush. Somebody opened that one. And I think that's it for over here. Oh, look at these containers. So you actually have a full container with the lid on top. I like that. So I see the trucks. That one. Let me see. It doesn't say what size it is, but these are nice size. It's a nice size. And then I see Santa's cookies. And I think that's it. Besides that, they have the stackable ones right there, the little containers that we looked at. These, yeah. But I do like these. So I think I want to get this one and probably one of these. Oh, look at those cute little essential popcorn bags. That's nice. You get 8 of them in there. Oh my goodness, you guys. They have some fingertip towels. They have the tree, the snowflake, Noel. They have a cute reindeer. And they do have a truck. These are cute. Over here in the book section, it looks like Dollar Tree is starting to, you know, look like a regular CVS or Walgreens. They had these already, the Better Every Day and the Best of Personality, but I see Relish, Special Baking Session. They have this one, and they also have this 100 plus hairstyles. That's kind of cool. Why did I come down the sock aisle? Okay, here's some more men's socks. I showed you guys that one with the sushi. Did we look at this one? This one is sharks with the fishing pole. Look at this one, super cute. Socks with socks on it. I love that. I'll probably get a pair of those. Back here you have toast, avocado, and egg. Up here you have the husky. I'm gonna get these. My son loves husky dogs. You have the cactus with the glasses. There's some with some guitars on it. And down here you have this pair that has coffee cups on it, and it's brown. I like those. And then I think there's one more. Oh no, there's more sushi, the llamas, and then the chocolate chip cookies and the milk that I already have at home. So I think today I'm gonna get one of these. Definitely this one and this one. They still have the chicken and waffles. What was that? Tacos and hot sauce. Hamburgers and pretzels up there. Oh, look at this bath bomb. That's the first time I've seen one of those. It says colorful swirl bath burst, and it has a swirl effect. So that's kind of cool. Real colorful. I only see that in the Star. So yeah, the rest are just the regular ones. Okay, you guys, so that's it. I am in the back of the store. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you real soon. Okay, bye.